Hi, I'm a software engineer. I worked at Amazon for 4 years, worked at startups, now I work on my own projects. And I want to answer the question today, where should you go to school, or should you go to school, or should you go to a boot camp if you want to be a software engineer? Now, my answer is basically, I'll give you the answer up front. I think that you should go to either university or you should just do it on your own. And by, what I mean by on your own is not paying for some kind of lesson plan, just doing side projects, building your GitHub, building projects using free resources online, maybe paying for a course or two online. There's some cheaper courses that maybe cost a couple $100 or something like that, and just basically building your portfolio on your own. I think this is a really good option if you are a self-motivated person who is committed to getting into this industry. If you have the time and the inclination, maybe you're a little bit younger, and so going for 4 years for a degree is not that big of a deal for you. I think in that case, then getting a bachelor's degree is a great idea in computer science or software engineering. Um, I'm not a big fan of boot camps, and the reason why is, to me, they're kind of an awkward middle ground where you're still paying a lot of money often. Like, I often see boot camps that go for like $10,000, or certainly in the multiples of thousands, like $8,000, and you leave with something that is not nearly as um, valuable in the long term as a degree. Now, there are people who think that a degree is not going to be worth anything in 10 years or 20 years, or degrees are going out of style. Personally, I think that that's a little bit overhyped. A computer science degree is not an English degree. And also, the amount of networking and just getting to know people that you can do in a university environment is, I think, quite valuable if you know what you're doing. It's kind of too short of a video for me to explain all of that, but basically the networking opportunities combined with the theoretical training in computer science, I think, is reasonably valuable. If you can be self-motivated and to build your own portfolio without any structure, then I think going your own way is also a good idea. So I would not recommend a boot camp, but I mean, if that's what you want to do, go ahead. It's not the worst, and a lot of people are successful through that route. I just think that it's kind of an awkward middle ground. If you have any questions, let me know.